Stomach. The organ that helps digest food. My stomach hurts after lunch. Liver. An organ that cleans the blood and helps digestion. The liver is very important for health. Intestines. Long tubes that take nutrients from food. Food moves into the intestines after the stomach. Small intestine. The part of the body where most nutrients are absorbed. The small intestine helps the body get vitamins. Large intestine. The part that absorbs water and forms waste. The large intestine helps remove waste from the body. Colon. The main part of the large intestine. Eating vegetables is good for the colon. Rectum. The last part of the large intestine. Waste stays in the rectum before leaving the body. Esophagus. The tube that carries food from the mouth to the stomach. Food travels through the esophagus. Pancreas. An organ that helps digest food and control sugar levels. The pancreas helps the body use food properly. Gallbladder. A small organ that stores bile. The gallbladder helps digest fatty foods. Appendix. A small pouch connected to the large intestine. His appendix was removed by doctors. Digestive system. The group of organs that digest food. The digestive system turns food into energy. Bile. A liquid that helps digest fats. Bile helps break down fatty foods. Digestive enzymes. Special substances that help digest food. Digestive enzymes help break food into smaller pieces. Abdomen. The area between the chest and hips. She felt pain in her abdomen. Abdominal cavity. The space inside the abdomen that holds organs. The stomach is inside the abdominal cavity. Duodenum. The first part of the small intestine. Food enters the duodenum after leaving the stomach. Jejunum. The middle part of the small intestine. The jejunum helps absorb nutrients. Ileum. The last part of the small intestine. Food passes through the ileum before reaching the large intestine. Anus. The opening where waste leaves the body. Waste leaves the body through the anus. Saliva. The liquid in your mouth. Saliva helps make food easier to swallow. Salivary glands. Glands that make saliva. The salivary glands produce saliva every day. Gut. An informal word for the stomach and intestines. Eating healthy food is good for your gut. Gut microbiome. The good bacteria living in your digestive system. Yogurt can help support a healthy gut microbiome. Peristalsis. Muscle movements that push food through the digestive system. Peristalsis helps food move through the intestines. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.